Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a quick and easy project. We're getting closer to Christmas, y'all, only like 3 weeks away. It is crazy how time flies. But this is the treat holder that I'm sharing today. It holds these Andes Cherries Jubilee Thins. I love that they're red. They had these at Dollar Tree. I got 2 packages of these to make some of these, and also you can use the green ones. They have the regular Andes mints. You could probably put a pack of gum in here. There's several things. It's only a 1/4 inch deep, so if you want anything thicker, you're going to have to make it wider on the sides. But this is what I'm sharing today, and I put everything on the ribbon here so that when they take the ribbon off, that you can just open it like that, and this comes with the ribbon, so it won't be that they have to tear it into it. They can save it. So that is what we are making today. It's really quick and easy and a fun one to make. While I'm tying this bow, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Also share, because all of those things really help my channel, and I would appreciate it greatly. So thank you so much for all of you who already done that, and thank you for sharing. I noticed a few more of you have been sharing, so I really appreciate that. All right, so let's get started with this. You are going to need a piece of shaded spruce. This piece is 9 by 5.5. Designer series paper I'm using is 4 1/4 by 3 1/8 and 4 1/2 by 1. Also, it is gorgeous paper, and it is called Joy of Christmas. I waited to get this, y'all. I don't know why. This is the most beautiful paper. So this is the paper that I'm sharing. Look how beautiful this is. I've been hoarding it, actually. I shouldn't be doing that because I just need to use all my paper up. But I'm using the gingham and this one right here. I love it. It's so pretty, but they go together really nice. And then you need some berry vanilla for the sentiment. And we are going to go ahead and stamp that sentiment first. All right, so I'm going to grab my little mat here. I'm using, for this, the Brightest Glow. You know, I've been using this a ton. I told you this was like the only one you really need. It's the Brightest Glow right here because it has so many really nice sentiments on it. It's perfect. And then for the holly and the berries, I'm using the Magical Meadow dies. I love these dies too. So we're going to use some real red for this. And ink that up. I'm going to do it right at the bottom edge here. And it's such a really nice sentiment, just clean and simple. All right, I am going to cut this very small. You can do this on your trimmer. Sometimes I am not really good at cutting straight, but I am going to try to get this as straight as possible, because we want it small enough to fit on the ribbon, right onto the ribbon. I just like that they don't have to tear anything up to get into the box. And then from the Magical Meadows, I already cut out the 2 holly. I cut one out in Garden Green and one in Old Olive. And I used the little berries from the same bundle, the Magical Meadows dies. And then we're going to put this together. So we're going to just glue these. The little berries are so tiny, but they're so cute. They look actually like berries. They did such a good job at making them look like berries for such itty bitty pieces. I need my take your pick tool here. We're going to put some berries on here. Try to get the ones that are already turned right side up, because they are hard to flip around. That one's upside down. So let me grab another one there. Okay, so those are all ready to go. Those are all going on the outside of the box here. I don't want to glue it to that paper. All right, so let's scoot these all out of the way and get our box made. All right, we're going to score And you are going to score on the 9-inch side at 2, 2 1/4, 5 1/2, and 5 3/4. And then you are going to turn it at the 5 1/2-inch side at 1 1/4, 1/2. I'm going to try to be really careful about this, not going off. And then you're going to score it at 5 and 5 1/4. For those of you who are new, I put an inspiration sheet with the measurements and everything on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. All the supplies are listed and everything. Alright, I hope you can see this because I know this shaded spruce is a bit dark. So what we're going to do here is we are going to cut here. This is the smaller side. This is the longer side. This is going to be the lid, the top part. And then you're going to cut this part off right here. You only need the small. And then I'm going to grab my big scissors because I want to cut this. Do this on your trimmer too if you want, because this will make it really nice and straight if you don't have any scissors like this. Because we're going to cut all the way down. These scissors are so good. I keep on wanting to get these back. I've put them in the suggestion box a couple times and still haven't got them. We need all you demonstrators out there to put these back in the suggestion box. They're so good, and I always ask it. Everybody always asks where I got them from, and they're just Stampin' Up, but they're older. All right. So now let's sharpen these. These little 1/4-inch sizes are a little bit harder to score on, like sharpen and stuff, because you got to make sure they're small. And then we're going to do the sides here. But I didn't want to make it too big. I wanted to make it just right for these. And then this little one right here. Now you can use tear and tape. I use wet glue because it just gives me a few more minutes to get it lined up and stuff. And this one, you really need to take your time on getting it straight and the bottom part level. So I usually just pull it up like that, and you want this bottom part flush to the bottom. So just pull it up like that. And I usually get my bone folder, make sure your sides are even. And then you're going to do the same with this one. That's why I like the wet glue, because it stays wet for a while and it gives you that time. And then just get in there with your bone folder and press that down. So that is it, just like that. Super simple. Now I'm going to grab some of these. I don't like anything cherry, but I know my grandkids do. And so I saw these. They smell really good, but I'm just not a cherry like pie person or anything like that. Is that one's shorter? No, I don't know why it's there. There we go. All right, then this is going to fold over like this. We're going to mat this front. I'm going to use my wet glue again. I've been getting a lot of questions about this glue, and I usually use the Berry Art Glue. This is the Art Glitter Glue. It works really good. It's just that I don't like it getting on my fingers, and I'm really particular about that. I don't like it's other stuff like sticking to my fingers when I'm working. So that's why I like the Berry Art Glue, or the Berry Art Glue better, but this is a really good glue. I have no complaints about it, except for it sticks to my fingers. So I've been using both. I have a bunch of this left, so I'm going to use it till it's gone. And then I think I may go back to the Barely Art. We'll see. All right, so that's how we are matting it like that. I'm going to grab my ribbon. The ribbon is from the Real Red and Burlap Ribbon Combo Pack. It's a thinner ribbon. You can use the other Real Red that we have. Either one will work. I'm going to tie the ribbon on first, and we're going to make a bow. Let's see if I can do as nice a bow as I did when I was off camera. It's so strange how I can get the best bows when I'm not videotaping. When I'm videotaping, it's like I struggle. Just like that. But I'm going to get it, y'all. I am determined. My hands are pretty cold. It is early in the morning for me to be videoing, but yeah, it is cold in my room right now. Alright, I wish I would have made my tail a little bit longer, but I'm going to leave it like that, and then we're just going to make this one match it. Okay, now let's get our sentiment. And I'm using tear and tape for this. So if they want to pull it off, it'll come off pretty easy. I'm not going to glue it on there. I just put a strip of the tear and tape on the back of it. And it fits onto this piece perfectly. I'm going to remove the backing. And it's like a little sticker. I'm going to put that on that ribbon. And then I'm going to use a glue dot for our holly. Stick that on there, and then you can stick this as well on your ribbon or even attach it to that part. And there you have it. Super simple, but isn't it cute? I think this will be a great stocking stuffer to put in their stockings. I love doing stockings for my grandkids. I'm always doing stockings. Every year, I don't care how old they are. I don't know, maybe when they get married, I'll quit the ones who get married. They're getting old enough to be married, so a couple of them. I have one that's 15, but the girls are older. All right, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, here's my December host code. If you use it when you place the order, I have a free gift with purchase, and there are going to be no exceptions this time. You have to use the host code. If you don't, I will not be sending you a free gift. So it's real easy to enter when you are shopping on it. It even says host code. So you just put that in there. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone.